Alright guys, so here are some deals, some quick deals. See, I am pretty late this time, but still for the Flipkart Plus members only, they can access the deals today after around 12 p.m. And for the actual members, they are simple members of Flipkart, they can use it for, they can check the deals after, I think on 16th at today's, I think in the night 12 a.m. So the thing is, for the Plus members, it's a great benefit because there are some mind-boggling deals available on the Flipkart. And the thing is, I prefer Big Billion Days of Flipkart over Amazon Great Indian Sale, because the thing is, in the Great Indian Sale it's going to come again and again and again on Amazon with the same features and same offers, but the Big Billion comes once in a year. And you can see I am giving you the offers. Right now this OnePlus 8T has launched, and I think at $799 in the international market, it's costing pretty high. Those who are trying to or willing to spend this $799 for OnePlus 8T, they can focus more on the new iPhone 12 that is coming in the same price gap. That is I think OnePlus 8T has launched at $749 in the starting. But iPhone 12, I consider with the cameras, because the camera sensor that OnePlus 8T is using is 586 sensor, and it was the same sensor that is being used in OnePlus 8, then in OnePlus 7T, then in OnePlus 7 also. So it's a around 1 or 1.5 year old sensor that they are using in the OnePlus smartphones, and still it's not giving us the wireless charging option. It's still not giving us the IP68 water industrial resistance. So I think in India, OnePlus 8T is coming at a very competitive price, that is 42,999. So in India, it's a little cheaper in terms of money, but still, if you are thinking to buy OnePlus 8 right now, that is around 39,000 in the new sale or 38,000 in the new sale of Amazon, then you can consider OnePlus 8T because it has a 120 Hz screen, and this is the only reason I can give it to you that you can buy this OnePlus 8T or something, because I don't think it's a great phone at all. But right now in Amazon and Flipkart, they are giving the sales and they reduced the price of iPhone 11 also in the Amazon, that is selling at around 49,999, and at the same price this year's flagship from the Samsung, that is Samsung S20 Plus, you can get Samsung S20 Plus with a smart upgrade offer only at 35,198 rupees on Flipkart today for the Plus members, and non-Plus members can purchase it tomorrow on 16th. So, but yeah, there is a catch. Officially, it is around, the price drops from 77,000 something to 49,999. And the smart upgrade offer makes it a more valuable deal, because if you purchase it with a smart upgrade offer, then you can get that particular phone at 35,198. That's the flagship we are talking about, Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus, and it's a hell of a deal. See, if you are thinking of purchasing a flagship, then don't go for OnePlus, because the thing is, we are getting 120 Hz display in Samsung S20 Plus, plus 8K recording, plus the screen is almost equivalent to OnePlus 8 Pro. Although yeah, OnePlus 8 Pro has 120 Hz and Quad HD at the same time, but see, the battery, it's going to consume a little bit more. Although S20 Plus is also not offering less things than the OnePlus 8 Pro, and the OnePlus 8 Pro right now in the sale is going to be at same price, that is 59,999 for the highest variant and 54,999 for the mid. That is starting price for the OnePlus 8 Pro. Still, S20 Plus at 49,999 is a heck of a deal. If you are thinking of purchasing the phone right now, a flagship phone, then do consider Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus at 49,999. And that smart upgrade offer that I am telling you, the con is that you can purchase the phone this year at 35,198, and you have to pay the rest of the amount, that is around 15,000 rupees next year, that is after complete whole year. And either you can pay that entire amount, or you can upgrade the phone to a new phone next year. This is the thing. This is the thing that they are putting it up. If you are going to still use S20 Plus and you are going to use it, because I think Samsung is offering 3 years of software update now. So if you are thinking of continuing it, then you need to pay the extra amount that is being left from 49,999. That is around 14,000 or 15,000, and that's a heck of an offer. See, the thing is, you don't have to pay for an entire 1 year, and you have to pay it after 1 year. So right now it's going to cost you at 35,198, but next year, whatever the remaining amount is, you have to pay if you want to keep it, or you can just upgrade to a newer phone. It's up to you entirely, but this deal is the best deal, and there are lots of best deals right now in the Big Billion. I'm just going to state these things to you guys right now. The iPhone XR, earlier it was coming at 47,500 rupees, and now in the Big Billion days, you're going to get it from 37,999. It's a 10,000 rupees discount almost. Then iPhone 11 Pro, the best phone last year. I think this is the best optimized phone. Why I am leaning towards the iPhone? Because the iPhones give you the software upgrade up till 4 to 5 years. And even if that iPhone 11 was 1 year old, it's still going to give you the software updates for the next 4 years that no Android phone is going to promise you that. And iPhone 11 Pro, see, the thing is, iPhone 12 and 12 Pro Max has launched last day, and the cameras are good on them, but still it's not a big difference between the cameras of 11 Pro and 12 Pro. Because if you are thinking of 11 Pro, it has the ultra wide lens, telephoto lens, and the main lens is also good night photography. The videos are always great. Heads off to Apple. What they do, I don't know what magic they do, but iPhone's videos are the best as compared to any other Android phone in the world. Then 11 Pro right now, it was earlier at 1,06,600 rupees, but now in the sale it's going to come down of around 26,000 of discount. That is, you are going to get that iPhone 11 Pro at 80,000 rupees. So that's a heck of a deal. If you want to purchase it, if you are into it, then you can purchase it for a lower price in the Big Billion days only. The iPhone 11, although it's being sold out on Amazon in the Great Indian Sale, and it's come to a down level that is around 49,999. If you are considering buying an iPhone for a longer software upgrade also, and the cameras are great in iPhone 11 also. The screen is not that great because it's an LCD screen, but still, if you are considering buying an iPhone, then iPhone 11 also is a great choice. Similarly, the XR also, which is coming at a very lower price, that is 13,000 lesser than the iPhone 11. So you can consider any one of them. Then the Google Pixel 4a, and I think Google has been great by putting its value in the market in India itself. It's coming at only 29,999, that is around 30,000 rupees, and it's a heck of a deal. And at the same price point, iQOO 3, that is Snapdragon 865, under 30,000 rupees, 10 rupees less than your Google Pixel 4a. You can get it with an AMOLED screen, air triggers and everything. The phone is great, and you can buy it right now in the sale for 29,990. So that's also a great deal. Then I can say that's the best spec phone of the year, ROG Phone 3. It is also coming at 49,999 with Snapdragon 865 Plus, 144 Hz screen, 6,000 mAh battery, and so on. The thing is, the specs are world class, the best specs ever. Although it has full HD screen, but the 144 Hz makes it even. So that's a good phone if you want to purchase that one. If you are considering Samsung S20 Plus, then you can buy that particular phone also, because it is coming with 865 Plus. The con with the Samsung S20 Plus is that it's coming in India with an Exynos variant, and you know there is a big leap between Snapdragon 865 Plus and Exynos. Although that phone is great, it's doing great, it's not that particular heavy phone or big phone and all that. It can perform every single task that you want to put it on Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus. So if you are buying it with a smart upgrade, then that's a great option, 35,198, and you can pay whatever the remaining amount in the next year. But ROG Phone 3 is also there in your lineup. So if you want to purchase it, it's also available on Big Billion Days Flipkart sale. And the last surprise that comes from the Big Billion Days is they are offering Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, one of the greatest phone last year. Good squarish shape phone with a great S Pen and Samsung DeX if you want. It's a hell of a phone, and it's coming at a price of 54,999. That means it's come in the OnePlus 8 territory, and it is also HDR 10 Plus supported, and you know S Pen is there. The cameras, the optics are on the par with this OnePlus 8 Pro also, because the optics doesn't change much. So that is also a great phone to upgrade. If you are considering OnePlus 8 Pro, then you can also consider about the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, because the productivity is greater on that particular phone. It's built for the productivity. Although you're going to get a lesser software upgrade, it's going to give you just 2 years of software upgrade now, and it is also coming with the smart upgrade offer. That means you can buy Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus at 38,998, and you can pay the rest of the amount, that is around 15,000 only, that you can pay next year. That means after 12 months you can pay for it if you don't want to upgrade it. Okay, so that is also a heck of a choice. So that's it guys, I'm giving you these details about the smartphones that are coming with a great thing. Do check out Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus, because it's coming at a very good deal. If you want to grab a great flagship of this year, then this price 35,198 or 49,999 is the best price for buying Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus. And mark my words, these things, one caution is there, that this is a limited time period offer. Till the stock remains, it will going to apply. As soon as the stock gets over, it's going to be vanished. The offer is going to be vanished. So make sure, be hurry, book your Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus or Note 10 Plus, or there are multiple other phones that I have told you right now in the video. So go check out and have a great festive season.